Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 tips for new crocheters. The first tip I have is to use a larger crochet hook. So as you can see here, this yarn requires a size J or 10 or 6 millimeter crochet hook. So you want to try to get as close as you can to the crochet hook on your yarn, especially when you're first starting out. And while a smaller crochet hook will make a tighter project, you really want to try to focus on projects that use larger yarn and larger crochet hooks. And that leads me to my second tip. When it comes to your first few crochet projects, I think it's worth the extra bang to go with a larger, bulkier yarn. And so that's going to be a size 5 or bulky versus a size 4, which is pretty standard and normal. This will make it easier for you to see your stitches, and it will just make the whole process a lot quicker, which I think really will help you if you're new to crochet. And that leads me to my third tip. Avoid working with roving yarns for your first few projects. One thing I've noticed about roving yarns like this are that they knot really easily. So you're going to want to use a yarn that you can pull out as many times as you need to get it just right. And I'm going to give you a bonus tip. Don't be afraid of projects that are in the round. My first few crochet projects that I ever created were wine totes and beanies, and these actually were a lot easier to work with for me than rectangles or granny squares. It's just something to keep in mind. I know that a lot of new crocheters tend to be intimidated by round projects, but I highly encourage you to try one out. And always go with a small crochet project like a soap saver or a wine tote that you can complete relatively quickly and feel accomplished. So those are my quick and easy crochet tips for beginners. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.